Hey, what's happening? This is Ashish Prasad, and in our last video we went through SEO tips for new websites, and in this video let's take a look at 6 tips for local businesses for taking your business to the next level, advancing your brand's SEO strategy. To begin with, it's very important for you to run an SEO audit at least twice a year. That will help you understand where you stand as of now and provide you the information to improve your strategy moving forward. You may start by analyzing your website analytics. That gives you an idea about how people are reaching you, what pages on your website are generating the most traffic, and how often your website visitors take the actions such as purchase, signing up for your email newsletter, or make an appointment for a visit. The second factor you'll try to focus on is once again on the navigation part, whether all your new content on the new page is still responsive and works well on mobile devices. Google has been upfront about favoring websites that work well on mobile phones. Next factor is you need to be seen on Google. Create a Google listing if you have not done it already. Verify your address and start sharing the latest updates and related information on Google Business Listing from your brand, just the same way as you use other social media like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Google listing allows you to have your status updates, list products and services, and recently they have included a live chat option which automatically activates after you are verified business that actually lets you have a real-time chat with your potential customers. Another SEO factor to look into is the reviews, more the merrier for your business listing on Google. Now, getting reviews is not absolutely in your control, obviously, but it wouldn't hurt to ask your customers to share their thoughts when your job's done, right? Do your part with each and every customer to go the extra mile and try to meet their expectations. And why wouldn't you see the many reviews, positive reviews flooding in your inbox? Then comes the hardest part of SEO, which is networking or link building, and backlinks are a significant factor on how Google's algorithm determines your website's value. While you're able to find a lot of different link building strategies to try, the ground rule is to be associated with brands that are already recognized in the online business world, and voila, you'll see an immediate boost with your rankings. Be in touch with the owners of other local businesses, influencers and journalists, and you can also make sure you gain connections that increase visibility of your business in the local community. Rome wasn't built in a day, and just as true as that statement is, it is going to take time to create great things, but over time you're certainly going to get more leads for your business. And lastly, it's good to give back to your local community, a local charity or your own charitable wing of your organization that can increase your business visibility online. It's a very smart way to build benevolence, do something positive, impact your local community, and network all at the same time by simply supporting a local cause. These kinds of initiatives are able to earn you a local coverage, which usually comes with backlinks, but you also show your organization's core values and what you stand for. People are going to feel better about choosing a business they know gives back to the community. Hope you learned something new. This is Ashish Prasad signing off. See you on the next one.